And having brought it to your attention, Your Honor, that decision is available at IKLA. When you retire, Your Honor, I will decision. So, Your Honor, the participation of IPOA in addressing the court is a matter that the High Court has said.
Free of IPOA is very clear, very distinct from Article 157.
I need time to write this ruling. Yeah, so we shall take a date for the ruling, whether he is going to be in custody or released. Are we together?
We are together.
So we can have it on the 20th of this month for ruling.
Your Honor, in that matter, Your Honor, the accused person in that matter is
We have arrested 2 police officers, and that is the OCS Central Police Station, CI Talam, and the D2 officer, the sentry guard, the person who was in charge of the cell. And we've already arraigned 1 person in court, that is Mr. Mukwana. So we're processing the rest. We also arrested 1 civilian. This is a person who was called to come and dismantle the CCTV. So he's in custody. We are processing this person, and in due course he will appear before court.
And may heads roll. We do not want to be hoodwinked by the arrest of a junior officer and then be told that investigations have been conducted and that is the gentleman that has been found culpable. The family believes that there are more people, there are seriously senior people who must certainly take responsibility.
Oh, it's clear.
The state has given its grounds that they want him to be in custody for 21 days. We have raised serious objections because there is no need for him to be in custody, because in the investigations that are remaining, there are forensics, they are about the telephone handsets, they are about data of the CCTV, there is recording of statements. Our client, we sought bail for him. We said 21 days is unreasonable, and the court has decided that it will give its ruling on the 20th of this month, and our client still will be detained at Capitol Hill Police Station until the court makes its decision.
Are we together? Teaching is beautiful.
all of us are touched. And it is only us who can defend this mission, but I would want to urge us to just remain united.
We would not wish any brutal deaths like that to be advanced to anyone as a Kenyan, and therefore we have decided to take this platform in Kupet so that we can address what every other Kenyan would be thinking and talking at this particular time.
For granted, Jehovah, King of Glory. We are here because of one of us. We are humbled before your presence this evening, O